What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video on Get Droid Tips, I would like to talk about how to fix Ubisoft Connect not installing NSIS error, installer integrity check has failed, NSIS error on your PC, and how we can fix this up. So let me directly get into a step one by one. So the first one is all about, you have to go over here on a Google Chrome, search here for Ubisoft Connect download. Now that's going to take you to this. Click on this one. Now from here in this official site of the Ubisoft, just accept everything. Now over here you can see there is an option called download Ubisoft Connect, right? You have to click on this one. So what happens is the Ubisoft Connect will be downloading. As you can see, it is around 229 MB. So we need to wait for this to get completely finishes the installation. Now once it's successfully done, we have to try few steps in the CMD. Only the one step that we need to try. So I'll be showing you. Let me finish this. Now we just need to go over here, search for the CMD. Make sure that you run it as an administrator. Now go for yes. Now the CMD will be popping up, right? Now we need to go over here on the installation folder, go to downloads. So this is what it is. Now we have to copy this, the installation of the Ubisoft, right click and go for copy. Now we just need to go back to the CMD and we have to paste it, Control V. So now you can see the installation path is copied here. Now we need to put a space, only one space, you have to put a space, then backslash, then you need to type NCRC. Put a space, backslash, then NCRC, press enter. Wait, now it is asking you to go for the installation. Just go for I accept, and you can select where you wanted to install the game. So I'm going to install it here, just go for install. Now it is going to take a little bit of time so that the entire process is going on here. Once it's successfully done, as you can see, just go for next, finish. Now we can close this and wait. The Ubisoft will be opening and you can use the Ubisoft. So after trying with this, still if you're having the trouble with the Ubisoft, then you can just go over here, search for the Microsoft Store. Okay, you have to search here for the Microsoft Store. Click on the Microsoft Store. You can download the Ubisoft from the Microsoft Store. Just search here for Ubisoft Connect PC, just click on this one and you can install it. So you can install it as well. Now you need to sign in with your account. So that is how you can fix this. I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.